guys, it's Ryan here. Welcome back. As you guys know, my channel's about real estate. So right now I'm out on the Newport Beach Harbor over here in Newport Beach, California. You can see all the boats kind of moving around in the background. So as I'm out here and I'm looking at all these fabulous homes, I'm thinking I should make a video on the world's most expensive home. I mean, I want to do a video on a home that has so much shock value, so much character, something that nobody has really ever seen before. So if you guys are interested in watching that video, stay tuned and let's go and check the world's most expensive home. The most expensive home in the world isn't located in California, or New York, or even Miami. In fact, it's not even located in Europe or in Russia. But it's located in the inner city of Mumbai, India. This house is located just down the way from the slums of the city and is situated on the famous Altamount Road. This home is known as Antilia, not to be confused with Attila. And it's the most expensive home ever made. Antilia stands 27 stories in height, which breaks down to 568 feet. So in comparison to the Eiffel Tower, which is located in Paris, which has a height of 1,063 square feet, Antilia is just about half the height of the Eiffel Tower. And it also offers 400,000 square feet of living space. This home is so high that it offers some of the best views in Mumbai of the Arabian Sea. And due to its size and location, it is classified as the second most expensive piece of property throughout the world. Another comparable property to Antilia is the residence of Buckingham Palace in London. Buckingham Palace is viewed more as a property of the royal crown of England rather than a residence. But Antilia is actually a residence worth close to $2 billion in some estimates. And when you look at Antilia from the outside, you'll notice that the architecture of each level is different. Some ceilings are regular height, while other levels are double or triple in height. And the garage in Antilia was built to hold up to 168 vehicles. So therefore it had to be built on levels like a covered parking garage that you might find at any local mall or airport parking lot. And due to the large traffic problem in Mumbai, this home has 3 helipads to help its owners get around town quickly. Plus, being able to fly throughout the city enables its owner to safely get from place to place without worry of shenanigans or unscrupulous people. The residence is owned by an Indian billionaire named Mukesh Ambani and his family. They moved into it in 2012. Once you enter the home from the parking lot, you enter a luxurious lobby that offers you 9 elevators to help you access all the levels of Antilia. And just above the lobby, you'll find a luxurious workout area with a private pool, a gym, a juice bar, a dance or aerobics studio, and also a yoga studio. Going even higher, you can also find a spa to help you relax and take away all the worry from your large monthly mortgage payments. Antilia also offers a grand ballroom complete with crystal chandeliers too. This home was made for entertaining the world's elite. You'll also find a movie theater big enough to seat 50 of your closest friends, and since you're living in India, 50 of your closest security guards. If you could easily live in a home like this, look down below the video right now and give it a big thumbs up. Let's see how many people would love to live in a home like this. When you view the outside of Antilia from the street, you'll notice many balconies strewn throughout the residence. Each of the balconies contains luscious landscaping along it. All the landscaping helps keep the inside of the home cooler due to the humid climate of Mumbai. Another cool feature of the inside of the home is that it has its own ice room with its own snow generator, perfect for transporting you from those hot Mumbai days into a feeling of being in Vail, Colorado on a winter vacation. The architects of this behemoth are from Chicago, Illinois, and the architects are Perkins and Will and Hirsch Bedner Associates. They helped design the structure of Antilia. But the inside was designed from an Australian decor firm called Leighton Holdings. So how big of a family was Antilia designed for? 30 people? 40 people? Well, would you believe me if I told you it was just built for only 6 people? The billionaire's family home is so large that it needs a full-time staff of 600 people to maintain it. This includes security personnel, cooks, and a cleaning staff, just to name a few. But the great thing in my opinion is that it's given 600 people in Mumbai a chance to have a job, especially when the poverty rate in India is so high. So that's 100 staff members per family member. So how much land does it take to build a home like this? In the densely populated areas like Mumbai, it's best to build upwards. So the amount of land needed to build Antilia was only 1.1 acres. So just how big is 1 acre of land? Well, if you've ever gotten your real estate license, then you should have this figure burned into your mind for all eternity. It's 43,560 square feet, which is just under the size of a football field by a little. The land on which Antilia was built housed an orphanage called Kiranboi Ibrahim Koja Yatim Khana, with 60 orphans, and belonged to a charity run by the Waqf Board. The orphanage had been founded in 1895 by Kiranboi Ibrahim, a wealthy ship owner. Thomas Johnson, director of marketing at architecture firm Hirsch Bedner Associates, told Forbes magazine the resident cost nearly $3 billion. It would be interesting to see how that value of a single-family residence affected the value of the homes in the surrounding neighborhoods. Mukesh Ambani, and he was born on April 19, 1957. His net worth is estimated to be around $52.7 billion. That's just $52.7 billion, which makes him the wealthiest person in all of India. And lately he sits as the 20th wealthiest person in the world. He is responsible for 1/5 of all exports from India. And when you consider India's population as 1/3 of the entire world population, handling 1/5 of all those exports can really propel your wealth quickly. Mukesh is an Indian business magnate, the chairman, managing director, and the largest shareholder of the Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Mumbai. Reliance owns businesses across India engaged in energy, petrochemicals, textiles, natural resources, retail, and telecommunications. In 2019, revenue for Reliance Industries Limited was 6.228 trillion Indian rupees, which is roughly 90 billion US dollars. Mukesh's father was responsible for becoming the largest producer of polyester. The wealth of this business helped propel Mukesh into a life of reaching great things. But now back to the home. The home was designed to be made up of sections, and each section is designed for different elements like earth, water, fire, air, sound, and light. It is believed in Indian culture that these are the elements to enlightenment. This home also includes its own temple, so its residents can pray. For them, they probably pray continuously for thanks, whereas the most of the rest of the world just prays for a little more prosperity to come their way. Hindu statues are strewn throughout the residence, so if Mukesh is the 20th wealthiest person in the world, then who are the other billionaires that he can hobnob with? Well, let's go through them. Number 1 is Jeff Bezos of Amazon. Number 2 is Bill Gates of Microsoft. Number 3, Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway. Number 4, Bernard Arnault of Louis Vuitton. Number 5, Amancio Ortega of Zara. Number 6, Carlos Slim Helou and family. Number 7, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook. Number 8, Larry Ellison of Oracle. Number 9, Larry Page, the co-founder of Google. Number 10, Charles Koch of Koch Industries. Number 11, David Koch of Koch Industries. Number 12, Sergey Brin of Google. Number 13, Michael Bloomberg of Bloomberg. Number 14, Hua Haten Tang of Tencent Holdings. Number 15, 16, and 17, Jim, Rob, and Alice Walton of Walmart. Number 18, Steve Ballmer of Microsoft. And number 19, Francois Betancourt Myers and the family of L'Oreal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hey, if you guys liked the video, if you found it an interesting topic, look down below the video right now in the center and click the thumbs up button before you leave. That greatly helps me out. It lets YouTube know that you enjoyed my video, and it'll help me with my ranking of my video. So any help you can throw my way, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Alright, bye-bye.